Hi everyone. Okay, I cannot tell you how many times I've tried to film this video tonight. People were gonna let me borrow their account so I could set things up for them and show you how to do it, and my computer is not cooperating. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through it, showing you my account, which already has my Facebook fundraiser set up, but I can explain to you how to do it through there. So thank you to those of you that tried to loan me your accounts. I don't know why my computer is being a pain. First thing you're gonna do is go to teamworldvision.org. That'll take you to this page where you can log into your Team World Vision account. This is the one that you used or you created when you signed up for the race. First thing that you will notice, so on my page, because I've run a more recent race, it defaults to that race. Yours should say 2020 Los Angeles Half Marathon and Charity Challenge. If it doesn't, like mine, you have to search through your events to actually find that. So just make sure, like this now, that it has the correct event. Once you've done that, you're going to click on the top left here to your page, okay? And that will bring you to your fundraising link. Now, you can use this link and share this with people. Simply, you can just take and copy and paste what's up here in the search bar. You can share that with people. They can donate to your page. But this Tuesday is what's called Giving Tuesday. And there's a couple of special things going on for Giving Tuesday. First one is that Team World Vision has a donor that's going to match up to $25,000 in donations. So if people donate to you on Tuesday, that's going to get doubled. But additionally, Facebook is matching up to $7 million on Tuesday for people that have Facebook fundraisers that people donate to those campaigns. So if you link your Team World Vision page here to your Facebook page and create a fundraiser, you have the chance on Tuesday to earn 3 times as much money for your fundraising and for World Vision. So if somebody donated $50 per se, then you could earn $150 on Tuesday potentially. So to do that, when you're on this page, you're going to scroll down and you'll see these 3 things here on the blue toolbar. You're going to click on Settings. Okay, and when you go under Settings, first of all, you can change your fundraising goal at any time. I know it makes you set a $2,000 minimum when you first get started. That's just their suggested minimum. You can change it to whatever you want, okay? Mine, like I said, mine has already been linked. So what you can do, it will say here, instead of showing this, it will have a little button that says Create a Facebook Fundraiser. If you click on that, it's gonna pop up a box in the middle that tells you about how awesome it is to do this. You click on Create Fundraiser, and then it's gonna ask you to log into Facebook. It usually pops up over here. For some reason, when I tried to borrow other people's accounts, it kept trying to log them into mine. So I, for example, created a fundraiser for Sabrina on my Facebook page twice today before I deleted them. So once you've done that, right, and linked to Facebook, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So when you then go onto Facebook, it's going to pop up something like this. It's going to have a different picture here, but you can change it to whatever you want by clicking on Change Fundraiser Photo, or you can keep the default one that's there. It's going to call it your name and then fundraiser for the 2020 Los Angeles Marathon and Charity Challenge. And then this is going to allow people, when you first create this, it will say something that says you created it. But what you can do at this point is a couple of things. They do recommend that you donate to yourself, first of all, which I know might sound strange. But when you do that, it kind of lets people like see that there's already money in there. And it lets people see that people are donating. So that can be a good thing if you want to donate like $10 or $20 to yourself. The easiest way to do this, if you click on Share, this is going to put it onto your Facebook wall. So you can click, you can say anything in here like, hey, I'm, starting this Facebook fundraiser. You can share about Giving Tuesday and about the triple impact that's going to be made. And then you can click Post. And when you do that, that's going to show up on your wall so that everybody can see it. All of your friends will see it in their feed. The other thing that you can do is you can click on Share. And if you do it this way, oops, wait, I clicked on the wrong thing, sorry. You can click on Invite, sorry, that's what I meant to do. You can click on Invite and you can actually like click on specific people that you want to take and donate. So if there's people that you think maybe like won't see it on Facebook, or maybe they'll see it, but like they won't pay attention to it unless you invite them, you can invite them directly to it. It's gonna take and make, if you scroll down a little bit, it makes this generic about that you can go ahead and edit if you wanna change why you're doing this. You can post updates from time to time. So you can write something on here and be like, hey, thanks for donating. And then that, again, will kind of just keep simulating that on people's pages. And you can kind of see it just has lots of different things down on here. You can also share this repeatedly. So again, you can share it the first time you do it, but let's say, for example, if I go back to my homepage, let's say it's been like a couple of weeks and I want to share it again. I can go over here on the side under fundraisers. And when I do that, it's going to pull up every fundraiser that either I've ever been invited to or that I've created. And so then I can click on my fundraiser again, and I'm back to all these options. So again, this is something that I would really encourage you to do. If you have Facebook and have the ability to, I think it helps all the time because it's just giving another way for people to donate. But particularly for this Tuesday, it's a really great thing. So I would encourage you to create this and then to also make sure that you spend some time maybe today and tomorrow reaching out to people and asking them if they're going to be donating to you, if they would consider donating to you on Tuesday, so that you have the opportunity to really make a powerful impact. If you have any questions on setting yours up or need help with it, you can, of course, either text me or email me.